Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Ackerman with Instructional Technology. Today I'm going to be going over how to put media items on hold or on reserve. There are two ways that you can do this, either through the Instructional Technology website or the CSB+SJU Libraries website. Let's start with the Instructional Technology website. From the CSB+SJU homepage, I'm going to go up to A to Z, go to I, and find Instructional Technology. Once we are on the Instructional Technology page, we are looking for this Equipment Checkout tab. And within that tab, you'll find the Equipment Items for Loan tab. I'll click on Equipment Items for Loan, and here you can see all the equipment that we have available for checkout. A couple of things that I want to point out. The equipment loans and holds are handled by the Access Services team from the library staff. Equipment loans are available to faculty, staff, and students free of charge unless you don't return the item on time. There is a late fee on this equipment if you do not return it on time. Typically, all of our items are available for a one-day loan. You can see how long an item is available for loan right underneath the picture of the item. So you can see here all of these items are available for a one-day loan. Lastly, equipment can be loaned out from the Clemens Library Circulation Desk, Elkwin Library Circulation Desk, or the Learning Commons Media Checkout area. At the top of the page, you'll find quick links to different sections of our equipment page. So if I know I'm looking for a video camera, I can click Video Equipment and it jumps down to the cameras here. Or I can just scroll up and down this page to view what's available. You can see underneath each item there are red boxes. Most of the items should have a tutorial video button, use your manual button, and a place hold button. I'm looking at this Zoom H2 digital audio recorder. If I hit tutorial videos, it kicks me over to a YouTube site where you can watch a tutorial video on how to use this specific item. I'll go back to the equipment page and click on the user manual button, and it will download the user manual that you can look at as well for this item. The last one here is the place hold button, and using this button is how you'll be able to put a hold on a piece of equipment. I'm going to click place hold. It opens up a new window and takes me over to this library website. On this page, I can see what equipment is available. So at Elkwin Library right now, audio recorder 15, 16, and 7 are available, and at Clemens Library, 4, 3, and 7 are available, but audio recorder 6 is currently checked out. If I wanted to put one of these audio recorders on hold for a certain day, I can go up here, hit this place hold button. You'll probably get prompted to log in using your CSB+SJU username and password. And I can pick which audio recorder I want. Let's say I want audio recorder 15 from Elkwin Library. Down here I can choose from which library I want to pick it up. It's worth noting that you can have an item that's located at Elkwin Library shipped over to Clemens Library or vice versa. Access Services will pull that equipment off the shelves the day you reserved it for and get it to the library where you want to pick it up. For this instance, I'm going to say I want audio recorder 15 picked up at Elkwin Library. Then, I come down here and choose what day I want to reserve it on. Let's say I want to reserve it on February 20th. Then I hit submit. It submits my request, and when the item is available, again, on the day I reserved it, I can go to Elkwin Library's Circulation Desk and pick it up. Items placed on hold can be picked up at Elkwin Library's Circulation Desk or the Clemens Library Circulation Desk, depending on which location you chose. Now, the other way that you can put an item on hold is through the library's website. Again, from the CSB+SJU homepage, I'm going to go up to A to Z, navigate to L, and go to the library's website. This is just a different way to do the same thing I just showed you. From this Search All tab, I can type in a piece of equipment I would like to check out. Let's say I want a GoPro camera. I'm going to type in GoPro here and hit search. The item you are searching usually should come up to the top here and it will have this symbol. This is the symbol for an object, which all of our media equipment is listed as object. I can click on this GoPro item and you can see that this page kind of looks similar to what we saw before, where I can see what's available right now and be able to click on the place hold button. Once again, it brings me over to this form page like it did from the Instructional Technology site, and I can go through and fill this out again. Let's try this one more time here. Say I want a Canon camera. It's going to search, and the camera didn't show up here at the top like the GoPro did. Remembering that all media equipment is listed as objects, I'm going to go over here to my search tools to narrow this down a little bit. Under Format, I'm going to click Object, and you can see here that the Canon cameras now came up. If I wanted to narrow this down more, I could also select CSB+SJU under the Library section. Now I'm looking at which Canon cameras are held by CSB+SJU libraries. I decide I want to use the Canon 80D. So I'll click on this item, and you can see the cameras that are available again. So if I wanted to, I could place a hold on one of these cameras. One more thing I want to show you from the library's website. You are able to manage the equipment that you have checked out or manage the equipment that you have placed on hold. To do that, I'm going to click on the My Account button here, found on the library's website homepage. You'll once again most likely be asked to log in, but from my account here, I can see the equipment that I have checked out. Currently, I have a Canon Vixia checked out, and I can see my due date. Again, media equipment is a 1-day loan. From here, I can renew my item for an additional day by hitting the Renew button. Also from my account, I can manage my holds. I'm going to click on my holds tab, and you can see this was the hold that I put on the Zoom H2 audio recorder from earlier. I can see the details of the hold, like when I wanted to put the recorder on hold, where I decided to pick it up from, and so on and so forth. From here, I can edit these details by clicking Edit and update the day that I want to put the item on hold, or update where I'd like to pick the item up. I can also delete the hold request by clicking the Remove button. I'll go ahead and remove this hold. It'll ask me if I'm sure I want to remove the hold, and I'll click Yes. Now you can see I have nothing on hold. So there you have it. That's how you can request holds for media equipment at CSB+SJU. If you have any additional questions about this process, please don't hesitate to contact an instructional technology specialist or an access services associate.